This is the 3-needle cast off, and it's what I do when I cast off the stitches at the end of a sock. So you have equal amounts of stitches on your 2 needles. So I have 16 on one needle and 16 on the other needle. So you need to have the same amount of stitches on both needles. I then go into the first stitch on the first needle and the first stitch on the second needle and knit those together and take them off. First stitch on first needle, first stitch on second needle, knit those together, take them off, and then this is the important bit to remember, cast off as you go. So first stitch on first needle, first stitch on second needle, knit together, take off, cast off. First stitch on first needle, first stitch on second needle, knit together, cast off. First stitch on first needle, first stitch on second needle, knit together, cast off. So I'm taking this needle to cast off the stitches. So I knit the first stitch on the first needle, second stitch, first stitch on the second needle, and then I cast off with that needle. So first stitch on each needle, knit them together, cast off. It's a bit tricky when you're doing it. It's a bit tricky for me because I'm doing it through a camera. So I'm taking it nice and slowly, so hopefully you can see. You can also see when I miss stitches, because I'm looking through a camera. There we go. And then you can see the seam is nice and flat.